Hello everyone, welcome back to KC's Crazy Ideas. Today we are working on our Husqvarna riding tractor. We got it right here. It's been sitting all winter long, and I know the battery's not dead. I have a jump box connected to it. Right now all it does is this. So I have to figure out why the starter's not turning, and maybe give it a love tap or jump solenoids or something. So that's what we're going to work on here today. I'm going to try and set you up somehow here. I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Let's see if I can raise you up. We'll try that. Like I said, I got a hammer, a screwdriver, and a pair of pliers with me. You're a love tap on the starter. As I jump the solenoid, make sure it's just not stuck, even though it's clicking. I didn't expect that. Alright, so my solenoid isn't doing what it's supposed to do. So what we're going to do is just bypass it. So I'm probably going to have to replace one of these. I don't know if I just tap on it. So I might have to get a new solenoid. Why is it not working? I don't know. I feel like for broken wires or not, but this is clicking. I can feel it, but it's not connecting the two. So anyways, let's just use the old screwdriver and choke it and try and get the fire. I don't need to sit on this one to do that, but it'll be a lot easier to choke. He's on. And we touchy. I didn't shut it off, it shut itself off. I got to tune it up anyways this year. So what else was I going to tell you? So that explains why when I came out here the one day all I did was click. Oh, now it's going to work. There we go. So we'll have to do something with that. I was expecting this to be a little bit more of an eventful video, but I'll take what I can get. So as I get this fire up, I'm going to move you out of the way a little further and see if I can get this thing to run a little bit better, because if I have you that close to the tractor, you guys are going to go deaf in my video. So I keep an eye trickle charger all winter long. And yes, the exhaust is broke. I do not care to fix it. The quiet's up over time. You know, it's had damage done to it over the course of years, or it's hit the trailer, hit the trees. You know, things have happened. So I'm not gonna fix that. I already had the heads off and everything else. It's been running good. It actually started really well after sitting all winter. I did not drain the fuel out of it. I didn't even shut the thing off for fuel, which I normally do that. I'm one of the few who never not do that. But I did put stable in the gas, which is probably what saved me. I usually run it empty, or like I said, I'll shut my valve off. But I'm just gonna get a tune-up done. I do it every year because it gets a lot of hours put on it, cutting all this. You know, it takes upwards of 2 hours to cut the whole property. So I have it running inside right now. I'll look into buying that solenoid. They're not much. They're usually about 20 bucks on Amazon. I usually stock them, but I think that might have been my backup. I don't know. But that'll be all for this video. I'll be here just bring you along and see how well the Husqvarna would start up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.